Our topic for today is about odd or even. An even number is a number which is divisible by 2 and has a remainder of 0. 0, by the way, is considered as an even number. On the other hand, odd number is a number that is not divisible by 2. Hence, it has a remainder. In this quiz, all you have to do is to answer in complete sentence. For example, is the difference odd or even? Your answer will be the difference of 10 and 10 is even. Now, are you ready to answer the quiz? Item number 1. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 7 and 2 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 2. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 10 and 3 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 3. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 10 and 2 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 4. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 6 and 6 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 5. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 10 and 6 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 6. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 7 and 6 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 7. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 9 and 1 is even. Kindly repeat. Item number 8. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 8 and 7 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 9. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 10 and 9 is odd. Kindly repeat. Item number 10. Is the difference odd or even? The difference of 10 and 10 is even. Kindly repeat. Congratulations kids! Ngayong natuto na kayo sa pag-determine ng odd or even, yayain nyo ang iyong mga kasamahan o mga kapwa-bata upang matuto sa math. Ito ay libreng serbisyo mula sa I Volunteer for Filipino Children.